Regarding item number 5 and 9, Lordship, I beg to withdraw both the cases, Lordship.
5
and 9, Lordship. NOC has been provided to them. And also regarding item 6, Lordship.
5 and 9.
5 and 9. NOC has been already given. And
yes.
Item 6, Lordship, may come after vacation, Lordship. The commercial quantity, let come after vacation.
Otherwise, we have received the scan box.
Long back it has come, Lordship. Up to date is required, Lordship.
Also for updated status. It's pick the date.
August, Lordship, passport keep up. August.
5th of August.
And Lordship, regarding item 13, Lordship, is again a POSCO matter, Lordship, that respondent has not appeared, Lordship. Item 13.
Does not appear in the pick state.
Lordship, that very fast date, Lordship, step has been taken out.
You also have case, right? The answer.
Lordship, updated, Lordship.
An updated case record you want it at the 5th of August or
No, that early, Lordship, because immediately after vacation.
17th.
Much obliged.
Updated.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter has filed yesterday. So, my Lord, it is kindly matter may be taken up today on 2 p.m. It is very urgent, my Lord. Very urgent, my Lord. Already flood affected the residents of underwater. Tomorrow. Oblige me.
I beg to mention item 28, Lordship.
28.
Lordship. In this case, Lordship, up to date case that was all for us not received.
28 not received.
Updated case date not received.
Not.
Petitioner interim, Lordship. Interim, Lordship.
Obviously after vacation.
Yes, my lord. On my lord 25th. 25th that.
Can it be any other date? 25th tomorrow more. Another? 26. Interim continue, Lordship. Another pair, Lordship, for listing on criminal petition, Lordship. This last list on 24, 23, 4, till that not listed. Next
Make a mention before senior court number 3.
Lordship, special list. This is
But make a mention it may be listed before us.
After affecting item 4 lordship. And it is the matter 126.
Item 4.
4.
What was it?
26.
No. If it's listed, then it's listed. If you don't want to make it, try to get an acknowledgement, then definitely it would be after okay. Don't have it.
It is just
26 cannot be acknowledged.
not possible.
May not be.
Okay.
Then when what?
Before any date, before petition, any date lordship, before petition.
No, before it is there. Can it be? Okay. It's a charge. Which one? How long he is in custody?
24 months. It is 24 months.
It's a case of
NTPS case.
NTPS, commercial one.
Commercial.
The trial is also going on. Witnesses are also examined. So it takes time. Immediately after petition.
Can it be on immediately after?
it is not well, Lordship, in jail.
Huh?
His seat is ill, Lordship, in the jail. Before vacation, any day. Before vacation,
That's why today it was listed that you are praying for exam.
After vacation,
They are
immediate,
saying that
Lordship, immediately.
vacation, before vacation not possible. That's why. Because
All 16.
I mean, most probably people I think what matters to they are getting just immediately after vacation. that was
16 by
and updated.
Update.
Updated. Why? What is the difficulty today? About
we are not prepared.
you're not prepared.
Because
You are Mr.
J.M. Sulaiman.
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 45 of the Delhi list, my lord. Then, my lord, matter may be adjourned for the day, my lord. 45.
45.
Yes. P.K. Munir is not
so
well.
You are 40.
Petitioner, my lord. P.K. Munir is not well, my lord. Matter may come after vacation, my lord.
After
Yes.
wanted to reach it or come after.
After vacation. Much obliged, my lord.
May I please, because I beg to mention item number 10. The matter may be come up after vacation, my lord.
If number 10.
Item 10, daily leave.
Why did I just otherwise it can come?
Scan copy, my lord, engaged counsel is not prepared for today, my lord.
It's right. Who is that?
No, MH already. Engaged counsel MH already.
Ahmed. It will be done after vacation.
After vacation.
After vacation.
After vacation.
29. 29 July.
29 July.
Because some other cases may come by because they are with the accommodate some other cases.
It will be okay for 29.
20.
So, like,
Item number 12, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, because of my personal difficulty today, my lord, this matter may come after vacation, any days as per the convenience. Commercial quantity, my lord, I'll wait. Any date, July, August, no problem.
29th of July.
Obliged.
May it please your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 27, Lordship. This matter may pass off for the day, Lordship. There's some difficulty with conducting. So CD is also not received.
It's not received.
So that's 27.
So are you on? Are you on?
Yes, Lordship.
You are on.
They must say.
After vacation.
24.
24/7. 24/7.
Injury may continue.
Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 7. Lordship, kindly matter may be fixed on 27 of June.
What time?
This
Yes.
month.
Today it's fit. Or otherwise.
And then 17th of July.
Immediately after vacation. 17/7.
May I please? It's in AB. There are two matters that are coming up tomorrow. Item number 22 and 23. They are from the same cause of action. And this matter was listed tomorrow, but it came as a leftover. So it may be taken up tomorrow with those two items. It will just
Other items they have mentioned.
22 and 23.
Item number.
Item number 20. Much obliged.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, item number 1 may kindly be taken after vacation.
After vacation.
After
What time?
Obliged.
May I plead, Lordship? Lordship, item number 11, the matter may be adjourned. My senior counsel, Amish Lashkar, is unable to appear because his mother-in-law expired. CD and FSL report may be received, Your Lordship. The matter may be fixed on Monday, Your Lordship. 24, Your Lordship.
11, my lord. It is for my lord. CD was returned, it was received, my lord. It was returned, my lord. Today it is not here. For updated, my lord, it was sent back.
So now today we don't have the updated case there.
No, my lord, today we don't have.
So they are seeking that on 24 would be possible.
24 July.
No,
Yes.
this month. 24 of this month.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
If his mother expired, how could it come? I mean, if his mother expired, suppose.
Yes.
Commercial
Mother,
quantity, my lord, now it was arranged on 54. So, after it was 6 months. 40
Lordship.
months.
Lordship, before vacation, Your Lordship.
He got registered 4.
15-4.
Registered may not be there that I was sick because maybe or may not. That is nothing but otherwise.
Lordship, background of the case is different, Your Lordship. Background of the
24 it will not be possible. After is that where it has to come?
From Dhuburi, my lord.
From Dhubri.
And also, my
before
lord,
vacation, Your Lordship. Before vacation.
Before vacation it cannot be possible. Will keep your days back?
now every flat program
yes.
is coming from that is also my lord.
Before vacation.
Before vacation, any date, Your Lordship.
1 week only left. Any date means any date. What to do? Before vacation, we don't have any
Immediately
date.
after, but 18,
Immediately after vacation. Immediately after
18,
17, 18, whatever. Immediately after. Because your CD may not reach up. Commercial quantity without period cannot pass the order.
Yes.
No.
18, 17.
So it's not that probably it's just not reached by this week. I just because of flood and all. We will send it from that but in that case immediately after vacation right. Immediately after vacation 7 we are giving out 7. It should reply 7.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, item number 19, Lordship. And for CD is not available, Lordship, and more than 4 months, Lordship, commercial. Can it be, Lordship, and this month, Lordship? One item is, it is from GRP squad.
We'll try.
Cotton Bazaar. 27 can it be?
27?
Lordship.
We have
Obliged.
27.
And Lordship, another
Cotton Bazaar, we are fixed.
Lordship. And another prayer, Lordship, and item number 29, Lordship. Lordship, interim is there, Lordship, but brief is not with me today, Lordship. So,
Otherwise, we have
29 CD.
before vacation. Before
Yeah,
vacation.
before.
Because CD has
Yes.
been so before vacation, we are
Lordship,
fixed.
Lordship,
On 26. 26.
Lordship, Obliged. But can it be 27, Lordship, or 28, Lordship?
28, not be 28.
27, Lordship,
27.
Lordship. Obliged, Obliged.
May I read, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 39. Lordship, due to personal problem, Mr. Enzo Dutta was not.
Huh? Yes, you do.
39, Lordship. Lordship, matter may fixed on Tuesday.
So what is the reason you have?
Lordship, engaged senior counsel, Mr. Dutta, could not appear today due to his personal problem.
We have repeated the case.
CD is there. So,
You want for vacation?
Lordship, on Tuesday,
Wednesday, we are fixing it on that. 26.
deeply obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
This case was listed yesterday also, today fixed for some instruction from the...
my lord, here, my lord, my learned friend is saying that he has, my lord, since it is a, my lord, statutory period is 60 days, my lord, so he is more than 70 days. But the fact is that, my lord, the case is seated, my lord. It was, yesterday it was not said by my learned friend, my lord.
So I have to,
Because your lordship will find from the order, my lord.
Order?
Yes, my lord. Page 12.
12, order
Page 12, my lord. It is specifically page, my lord. First, may I kindly say, my lord, in the report of the office assistant, FF pertaining and that the FF pertaining to the has been received. Peruse CD along with CS. Part both page. So he may approach the matter. The CS number we have got, sir. CS number is 93/24, dated 27/5/24. This order is of 28/5/27.
Just immediately after.
Yes.
Have to approach that track.
My lord.
Actually, that's why it kept having matter
Yes.
today for hearing, because
Yes,
we are
sir.
also that's why I asked the then obviously it's the case now, but that's all.
I somehow I missed that.
Okay, it's
May I please? This is a case under section 376, section 4 of the POSCO Act. There is such a case where trial is pending, madam. Already, as per my information, we have enclosed the copy of the evidence of PW1 and PW2, the informant, madam.
May I please allow you? My learned friend is appearing for legal aid counsel for the information. The paper book has not been received by
Paper book.
Paper book not
Statements, nothing has been received from the legal service office. So I pray for some time, maybe to prepare the thing.
time it is just today to going to prepare if it is furnished or
Maybe not today, my
not today.
Paper book is not, it is not a case of paper book, but it is
No, I'm not.
legal aid
Scan
counsel
copy.
there.
I have not been provided.
Otherwise, you have received
Scan copy is there, my lord.
scan copy.
Because my lord, informant, as per the order, my lord, informant, my lord, here,
Yes, yes, obviously.
yes, as for number 2, my lord. So either, my lord, a copy can be served by my lord,
I can find it a copy to him.
senior friend, my lord. Either that will also do, or
I have already approached the legal service office, my lord. They are on it. That is why I'm praying.
They will furnish to you, or we can have directly
Yes,
the other side.
even that can be problem.
From registry, we can also provide.
Yes, madam.
So, in that case, how much time to be in?
My lord, it depends upon when we receive it. I think they have sent it to our Guwahati office as it is informed to me.
Not yet like that. We directly raise
The court will provide.
Yes,
for
madam.
provide a copy to you.
Yes,
In that case, you want it in next week because tomorrow is the only day left for this week.
possible, my lord, if possible after the visit.
Vacation, my lord, will get already I will custody, my. That is coming next week, my. Anything.
Next week. Because he is under custody.
It is a bail application only, not a trial.
Yes, my lord, as per that.
27. June.
Twenty-six. 26.
Office, ma'am.
ক'ত যাব
মই দিল্লী
কেতিয়া যাব
24
আহিব কেতিয়া
গৰম বন্ধত
24ত পাৰিব নেকি
মোৰ জুনিয়ৰজনী থাকিলে হ'ব নেকি
হ'ব
তেতিয়াহ'লে আপোনাক
ঠিক আছে Let it come out 25 or 26.
If you receive copy by, suppose by tomorrow also, in that case, if prepared by Tuesday or Wednesday, that is a big, or at least 27. Not, okay.
Humble prayer, my Lord. I may be absent because of I might go out of the station for some another case. But then my assistant, she will be.
Yes, that will do, my lord. That is, because she will, our assistant will appear on our behalf. She will give instruction accordingly to her. That she wants to.
Since when I'm going out? On which date?
On 24th, ma'am.
You are coming back on?
5th of July.
After vacation. 15 again. Because since she has been appointed MSO, she has to appear. She cannot.
He cannot
delegate the.
cannot delegate, my lord.
Sorry, I'm just asking.
No, my lord, 16 Lordship, I can do.
16 July then. No proxy, my lord.
Because it's a POCSO matter.
Yes, my lord.
So proxies are not allowed.
And my lord, in the meantime, my lord, any updated status report can be called for, my lord.
Thank you.
May it please your Lord. My Lord, this petitioner is behind the bar since more than 2 years, my Lord. And case is though charge sheeted, my Lord. But till date, as per my instruction, no witness was examined, my Lord. So this honorable court was pleased to call the updated case record, which was also received, my Lord, as per information. My Lord, this only on the basis of the statement of the co-accused, my Lord. This petitioner was arrested, my Lord. And more so, my Lord, this when they issued notice, my Lord, in response to that notice, he voluntarily appeared, my Lord. And thereafter, my Lord, he was arrested, my Lord. So, my Lord, as per their, my Lord, offence report, my Lord, only allegation that he is the receiver of the contraband, my Lord. And two persons name, his name, my Lord, and they also collected, my Lord, some CDR report, my Lord. Some phone call was there, my Lord. But also, they also, my Lord, collected the phone number against whom call was made, my Lord. And after that, they found that the phone number, the phone was not in the name of the petitioner, my Lord. So only on the basis of the, my Lord, that.
Mr. Kyle is appearing or you are going to?
Not, Lordship. We are filing objection today, Lordship.
My Lord, since last many days, my Lord, they are filing, my Lord. And this is the reason, my Lord, I am approaching before your honorable court, my Lord. This is a case of, my Lord, long incursion, my Lord. And as per honorable Supreme Court Judge, Lord. Lord.
PM is quick, not working. But it's not it. Can you see the order did it?
Lordship. My Lord, once it was listed before the court number 20, my Lord.
Or did this on 5/6
Lordship.
of this court?
Yes, my Lord.
Six.
No, my Lord.
No, I thought it looked good. It's better before application.
Lordship.
The co-accused paid.
My Lord, earlier as per my instruction, my Lord, it was, my Lord, then Honorable Judge, my Lord, H.K. Borua. H.K. Borua. We have checked, my Lord, earlier some. So he is no longer my Lord.
June.
Yes, sir. We have checked, my lord, and we approached the before the registry also. They also verify, my lord, regarding it.
Lordship, writ petition criminal of co-accused is pending in another court, Lordship. Lordship, I prayed there in court number for listing this matter along with that matter, Lordship.
Which one?
Yes, last time on 5/6, Lordship. I paid on that.
So your criminal is number?
But the number is not here. I will.
Have you made any prayer before that court?
Yes, Lordship. On that day, Lordship.
On 5th of June. In which court number?
20, Lordship.
20.
Once it was listed before 20, my lord.
Just let us know. For that.
Yeah.
Realize.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, we have filed one compliance affidavit on 10th of June.
Lordship, the matter will be taken up after some time. My senior, Mr. P. Nayak, he's on legs in court when
He will be appearing for respondent number 2.
He is appearing for the informant, my lord. Otherwise, as per the term of settlement, we are making the payment. We want some more time for making the final payment. So if Lordship fixes a date, most probably on the next date it will be cleared.
I mean, there was any such kind of order was there earlier?
Yes, Lordship. On 22/2024, if Lordship comes to order dated 22/2024, the parties have arrived at a settlement. And on that condition, Your Lordship was pleased to allow the accused person to go on bail on certain terms and conditions.
Oh, what that case?
That Mumbai case.
So payment is not yet.
Not completed, we are making the payment. After the compliance affidavit, my lord, on 10/6/2024, we have made a payment of rupees 25 lakhs. Then on 18/6, we have made a payment of 1.4 crore. Even today morning, we have paid 50 lakhs to that informant.
As per my instructions, my senior asked.
That's fine, Your Lordship. 12:30, my lord. At 12:30.
My please, Lordship. With the petitioners are behind on bar 29 days, Lordship, with the Lordship. This capital Reserve Act, Lordship. Lordship, and
29 days.
29 days, Lordship. And Lordship,
Have you received case diary yet?
you can considering the length of detention, Lordship. Kettles were recovered, Lordship.
What is recovered?
Kettles are recovered, Lordship.
Kettles.
8 numbers of kettle, Lordship.
So you are the owner, driver, who you are?
I am the Lordship, owner, Lordship.
You are the owner of
Owner, Lordship. Lordship, we are at the instruction of the owner, Lordship, we bring the kettle, Lordship.
You are the driver.
No, my lord, they are transporter also.
Oh,
They cross the, my lord, they cross the border also by taking Hazira. This person and one another matter, my lord. They are not the owner of the cattle also. They transported the cattle, my lord, and they cross the border, my lord, to Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
To Meghalaya. Owner is someone different also.
Can you consider the length
To petitioner as the transporter, they were in the vehicle or
No, my lord, no.
they are the transporter?
It was, my lord, it was for transported to, my lord, jungle, lord. Jungle. And my lord, when my lord, documents were asked for, they could not produce any documents. My lord. That is why they were apprehended.
So at any condition,
So there is no any valid or genuine document for the
No, they could not produce.
transfer the
They could not produce any document. They said that the owner, my lord, they only, my lord, owner paid them, my lord, Hazira to cross the, my lord, cattle. That is their statement.
but the owner is already got arrested or he
No, owner is not arrested.
as per him there is behind the person.
My lord, today is 29 days, my lord. 8 numbers of cattle has been seized, my lord. Cattle have.
So if they are Hazira, if they are there.
Hazira, that is their statement, my lord.
Yeah, Muslim.
But
CGM Kamrup.
CGM Kamrup?
Kamrup Metro.
Metro or the Metro?
Metro. Khetri, yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion, LCR was called for, but LCR not received.
Yes, please check LCR.
Yes,
What about the LCR?
Yes, scan copy not received, Lordship.
Your petitions are behind the person well.
Additional 3.
No. Your petitions are behind the person well.
Since 4/3/2022. 2022, Lordship. As on date, 2 years, 3 months, and 16 days.
What?
Today is the second or third date of
last I was saying that was the first of it, the matter will come up for the 4th of June. So this is the second date or
Yes.
okay, it's been one. Reminded that go yeah. Or
Can it be on 16 or 17?
yeah, it-
Highly obliged.
Ma'am, please, Your Lordship.
In this matter, PD was called for, my lord.
We have received the case diary, madam.
Small quantity, my lord. 21 kg.
Not small quantity, madam, intermediate quantity.
So for the FIR goes, my lord.
yes. But
FIR is a piece 13, my lord.
okay. Would we just take this the commerce intermediate quantity?
Intermediate quantity, my lord, there are 3 persons, my lord. From Middle Deudi and Sagar Supla, 14 gram recovered, my lord. That is intermediate quantity. And from Gozen Soikia, 9 gram, my lord. This is also intermediate quantity.
No, my 0.09 gram.
Yes, I am sorry, 0.9 gram, that is small quantity, my lord. And other person, 14 gram, my lord. And they are all connected to each other, my lord.
Today is 50 days, my lord.
And it is pending for FSL, my lord. Today we were entered from the police station, also. FSL report is not ready, my lord.
Actually, a different issue, my lord. And after FSS charge, they will file the charge. It is different issue, my lord. But the mandatory period is 50 days, my lord. You can- So for the FIR goes, my lord, is 21A, my lord. But this, of course, because it's in case of heroin, my lord, 5 gram, more than 5 gram, it is 21.
Only, my lord, in respect of Gozen Soikia, it will be small quantity. Other 2 persons, my lord, intermediate quantity.
From God not.
From Gozen
Middle
Soikia,
and
0.
Middle and Sagar
From Middle and Sagar, 14 gram.
from Badin Local
0.9, that is
0.09.
0.09. It is
Very small, very small.
but
My lord, it is almost over. It is only pending for to collect the FSL report. That is not ready, my lord. We have confirmed from the police station today morning. But 60 days is a mandatory. Today is, my lord, 51 days.
51 days.
My lord.
As chosen.
But 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 it but but spend for
Gohapur.
CDM.
It is district and social judge Malad too. Gohapur Malad. Special judge.
They are the persons are from which
From Gohapur Malad.
no, this person from Gopur.
Mal. All the persons from the local resident Malad.
Okay.
District Lakshmipur.
In that case, we are giving one.
Mal.
All right.
Deep development.
Look, 20 and 21, my lord, Erajika also the same police station.
Same station. And FIR is phase 10, my lord. What happened, my lord? One person died in police custody, my lord. And hundreds of people gathered and घेरावed the police station, and some altercation was took place, and sudden provocation, some police personnel also injured, my lord. The persons also injured, my lord. That is the case, my lord. And I am behind the bar.
So registered under PDPP Act.
PDPP Act, yes, my lord. Some glasses of police station was broken, so that's why that section was added, my lord. 25 days as on today, my lord, and one is 27 days as on today, my lord. What is the no letter here? It's not correct.
In one, mention the date of registration 24.
My lord, that is typing mistake, my lord. Kindly peruse the forwarding report. That is, my lord, 27.5, my lord.
27.5.
Right.
82. Rajibur.
Right. It was 25.5.
No, no, who was for 20?
Item 20, my lord.
Rajibul is?
Rajibul is item 20, my lord. 25 days, my lord.
Okay, this date of registration 27.5.
Yes, my lord. 27.
Or 82 to follow.
It was 25.
Other one, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from the things are all right, but
Well,
there was a gathering of people.
As far as the materials are concerned, Lordship, there are materials against them. There are eyewitnesses, Lordship, who is implicated. They have even, my lord, damaged the, my lord, police vehicle also, my lord. Now the injury report is not collected, my lord. So we will fix it, my lord. After some days, we will collect, obtain the injury report. Because section 326 are there. Yes, so injury report will be
There is a
necessary.
need. Because there's something that there may be a gathering of some people.
Yes, my lord.
But you cannot take your law in your hand.
My lord, my lord. Because there are eyewitnesses, my lord.
Died first, died custody. Unfortunately, okay, but for that, so if that next week you can.
Sudden provocation, my lord,
You can-
not
you
a
can try on
pre-planned.
only until Thursday or Friday, Lord. 27 or 28.
On 28, my lord.
On 28, we will try, my lord, to obtain the, my lord, medical leave.
26 or 27?
28, my lord.
28.
Let's see.
We will retain the case there, my lord.
Retain. Yes.
Thank you. All right, ma'am.
My pleasure, Lord. So I am paying for the adjournment for the Lordship. Can you fix on next week, Lordship, on any day, Lord?
The problem is
24 or
otherwise we have received.
you have received the case diary, my lord. 37.56 gram, my lord. That is also intermediate quantity. My lord, it is pending for FSL report, my lord. And it is seized, recovered and seized from the possession of the accused person.
Got behind it, but
45 days. 41 days. 41 days. Since 11.5. 41 days, my lord. Since 11.45 days. 41 days. 41.
we want to fix it on
24.
24.
Oh, 24 days. It was 26, my lord. 26. 26 June. June of 2022. Okay, holiday नहीं है? नहीं holiday no. 26. Apply.
May it please your lordship. Put 39 application, lordship, and detained since 2/6, lordship. Very unfortunate petitioner. His house premises was some neighbors has misleaded him, said that we are keeping some article, and after a while we'll take it. In the meantime, police has arrived in his house, and all those articles along with him also. He was also arrested in connection, knowing nothing about the fact, lordship. Very, very unfortunate. And otherwise, the fact is such, lordship, that some person, lordship, admittedly, lordship, some person, some miscreants, they are doing this petrol diesel theft from the pipeline, lordship. They are carrying out this business, and they are making holes in the pipe, and then they take out by using. All this is going on since long, lordship. But so far, this petitioner concerned, he's a bona fide person. Even his wife, lordship, is a advocate, practicing advocate, lordship. And only because from his house premises, some articles were recovered, he has been detained in the judicial room. That is my submission, lordship.
We have received the case diary, my lord. My lord, case diary, my lord, so far the investigation carried on as on that, my lord. There are materials against this person, my lord. And he is associate of the, my lord, entire field scheme
gang, Lordship, who are, my lord, involved in the pilferage of the oil, my lord. And, my lord, from his house residence, Lordship, some articles were recovered, Lordship. My lord, these articles are like plastic drum, then, my lord, plastic drum filled with suspected diesel, my lord. Then, my lord, drilling kit, these are recovered from his possession, my lord. So it is, my lord, in the initial stage, Lordship, at least as I am objecting, my lord.
Lordship, I have stated under what circumstance, Lordship. Even the forwarding also reveals that absolutely without any knowledge. And if your Lordship is not inclined today, then let it come in the next week, Lordship.
Next week, my lord.
Next week,
Next week, several matters already inquired, Lordship will take it to the next week.
No, Lordship. Now he has been detained for almost more than 14-15 days, Lordship, and all persons are also arrested, Lordship. Now his part is that. May I take your Lordship to the?
What purpose instruction for them?
I'll place. I'll take some more instruction and I'll place better argument on that day. That is my humble submission, Lordship. Since my colleague is an advocate, Lordship, that is why.
So,
I think that
next week, I do not have any objection.
That much, Lordship. That much. Let it come in the next week, Lordship.
But today I am objecting, madam. Nothing.
Yes, Lordship. I'm deeply obliged, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
May it please, Lordship. Court attend in bail application, Lordship. Lordship, mandatory period is over, Lordship. 2 days, 60 days, Lordship. Allegation under section.
We will obtain instruction as whether search is committed or not. Today is 60 days, my lord. After some time.
May I please, your lordship? The 430th application, lordship. The case was called for the petitioner's approval, lordship, is an interim, lordship. They appeared before the IO. The statement has been recorded, lordship.
Case are not received to them, madam.
After long time, matter, lordship, 2023 matter, lordship. This is the last 4-5 occasion the matter was listed, lordship, there on England to when the case died, lordship. So,
23, madam. Last time, my lord, one more time.
October 1st, 5 minutes.
My lord.
They already appeared, lordship. They appeared, lordship. In the interim, they appeared, lordship. The matter parties or temporary original certificate has been given before IO, lordship. Some of the investigation might be completed, lordship. So, they have already appeared,
We
lordship.
don't have any for us.
That is
For them.
Yes, lordship.
That is the problem.
Last time maybe given, lordship. Last
So
time
why they're
my lord, we have sent requisition on 6 occasions, my lord. From my lord, from the date of issuing notice to the investigating officer. Only, my lord, the short that may be fixed, lordship, will obtain instruction, my lord.
sometimes maybe, lordship, the personal page may be required, lordship. There are 6 occasions, lordship, he's failed to produce a
Last
case
time,
diary,
lordship, I
lordship.
am paying on 25th, my lord. 25th of this. Give them, my lord.
Taking the pocket.
your about
25th. বন্ধ he is paying for 27 rupees.
28 Lordship. Can it be 28 Lordship?
28 is last day, my lord. There will be
Not one must become 29
My
and
lord.
going out.
No.
But
My lord.
on, if you want to fix it, you can fix it.
27 Lordship.
Last chance, my lord.
26
No,
Lordship.
25 and 26 same.
Same Lordship. Here also in interim Lordship. No, not the matter is similar, but the case is different from different police system Lordship. Similar matter Lordship, but the PS case is different Lordship.
My lord, in this case, Lordship, 30 submitted, but we have to obtain the number. 30 number. Let it come on the same day, my lord. On 20, on 25th or 26th.
27.
27, my lord.
All right.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is an anticipatory bail application. I am already on interim bail. Chiri was called for, my lord. The matter was left out, lord. Lord, I have got no complicity with the case, my lord. Neither I am named in the FIR.
Yes, sir. I'll go through, but
It will be taken after some time, my lord.
I don't know if it's possible.
any other day.
Even after lunch break, my lord, if possible, my lord.
And another two cases are also there, madam. So every in respect of every accused matter, we have to
30 is related to what? 30?
30 is related to matter 36 and 40.
36 and 49, man.
49. With
I am in
respect,
49, man.
49.
with respect to all the accused matters, the complicity has to be seen, madam. Request some time. Not today, madam. Any other day subject to convenience. Because it is there.
All are in register of the
All AB, my lord.
All AB.
No.
25. 25. 25.
26, 25 or 25. 7 partners that are such as 25. 25. 12. 4 partners that are 6 miles. So I have to equate.
On 26, my lord, election is there, my lord.
Oh.
On 26.
27?
There is election in the bar, man.
Bar association.
I am also one of the candidates, man. 25.
5 something that there are several members of the partner also there.
Yes.
24, my lord. 24, my
Monday.
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 Lordship,
Obliged.
for item number 36.
Yes, 36, 49 and 30. All will be finished.
I have no interim, Lordship, therefore.
So, for our experience, that the constitution
Yes.
will be disposed of by the
24.
24.
I have no interim. I have no interim. Interim.
But you may be on it, may not be
Lordship.
disposed by it.
On
What are
24.
you-
24.
Yes, what is the
On 24 then.
24 months we have
Month.
High level.
14. 14.
on ethics. On and very word on
My lord, I am on interim, my lord.
30 is
30.
on
Item
and
30.
you are not on it.
No one.
30. What 30?
of like
All the
24
methods
deleted.
going to be all separate.
Problem.
And it for them
But today we are facing some problem because we are out of minor because of the. Even I somehow came very difficult. 31 CD received.
438 application lote. Petition number 1 lote, Shafiqul Alam sorry, one petitioner lote. Mera party is the transportation of cattle lote. So one Shafiqul Alam so he was the owner of the vehicle lote. I have annexed the vehicle registration certificate page 17 lote. May kindly see last page of my
page 7.
Page 17 lote. It's a livestock vehicle lote. He has given the said vehicle hire on one Babul Sheikh lote. Page 17 of the kindly say right hand side, 6 number, column number 6 line. The body type is a livestock vehicle. He has given hire that said vehicle to one Babul Sheikh, who is the owner of the cattle. He appeared before the IO. His documents have been submitted before the IO. Okay,
Well, he has appeared and vehicle has been given Dhimma to him. But he has stated that he has sold this vehicle to another co-accused man. But regarding that, there is no any document.
Page 12 lote. Page 12 of my petition.
Only his petition.
Page 12.
It is not there in the city.
No, it is not sold out lote. It was given rent agreement. Page 12 lote, may kindly see. The one Ajgo Ali lote has taken the rent agreement. Yes.
Not solely.
This is not solid lote. One Ajgo Ali lote, who has taken the said vehicle on rent lote. Page 12 lote, may kindly see. He has no role whatever in this case lote. Yes, the owner of the vehicle. In page 12 he has given the said vehicle to one Ajgo Ali lote. The vehicle is a livestock vehicle. Okay. Oblige.
Well, with the Lordship, 438 application Lordship, video was called for Lordship.
No, okay.
Yeah, I'm an interim Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, yes, 48, 40. Around 6.
After we get yes, is raised 33
The
man.
last bit that not 36 one just the student that you can put that on.
No. Matter maybe fixed, but we let the CDB stand back.
Yeah.
In time is there. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? 438 application, Your Lordship. I am on interim and I appeared before the IO on 25-24 and my statements were also recorded, Your Lordship. I am a sub-register, Your Lordship. The allegation in the FIR, that is on page number 14, Your Lordship. Page number 14 was the FIR, Your Lordship. The allegation in the FIR is that the informant is the owner of the land and the accused number 1, Anwar Hussain, in connivance with accused number 2, Parivanu Nessa, forged some documents to obtain sale permission for executing a sale deed, Your Lordship. That was the allegation basically, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, similarly situated, the circle officer also approached before this Honorable Court. Circle officer also were given the interim and Your Lordship, after paging of the case diary, the bail petition was made absolute, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship knows that the role of the registrar, Your Lordship, prior to obtaining a NOC, Your Lordship, one has to apply before the circle officer. The circle officer, with the help of the concerned lot mandal, verifies the land and gives a report to the deputy commissioner. Thereafter, the deputy commissioner issues a NOC. That NOC is forwarded to me for registration of the land, Your Lordship, any land, Your Lordship. And I go by the NOC that is known to Your Lordship.
There is an allegation of my lord forgery in the signatures of the complainant and the accused, my lord. So those signatures were sent for FSL, my lord. So that will reveal the actual fact, my lord, whether the sale deed is, my lord, genuine or not, my lord. Because he is the person who has executed this sale deed, my lord, as a registrar. Fingerprints of accused Paribahan and another complainant, my lord. It was sent for FSL, my lord. You can wait for this report also, my lord. It is an interim, my lord. You have to visit it. You can
And we have
make
also
that-
proceeded for cancellation of the deed also, Your Lord. When this
you can
allegation
make
came before
the
us.
picture more clear, my lord.
Lordship may also peruse page number 29, Your Lordship. At page number 30 is the operative portion, Your Lordship. This was the bail order for the circle officer, Your Lordship. Similarly situated, he was also the authority concerned for verifying the document, Your Lordship. After verification, it goes to the DC, then it comes to me. For Hi. The operative part is
My lord. No. Yes, that will be part of the record, my lord. But his duty is to, my lord, very much verify the along with the persons, my lord. It is very hesitantly, my lord, they do this, my lord, without verifying anything. Yes.
Okay. 30 operative portion.
Going for the document, I just peruse the last order.
Because the order was been observed by this honorable court only for the circle officer, Your Lordship. The operative part is at page number 30. May I read, Your Lordship? It is submitted by Mr. Nelanet for the petitioner that after obtaining the pre-arrest bail on Iman, that is petitioner already appeared before the IO, and his statement has been recorded under section 161. He is still ready and willing to cooperate with the IO and further investigation of the case if he is granted with the privilege of pre-arrest bail. He further submits that after the execution of the sale deed and coming to know about the irregularity, he himself cancelled the mutation of the said disputed land, and the land was only muted in the name of the purchaser after verifying the land and execution of the sale deed, Your Lordship. After execution of the sale deed, again it was recorded, the land were also corrected. That part also cancelled, Your Lordship. When these things came to the department, Your Lordship, the department also initiated for the same. And in the affair itself, it is categorically stated that the FIR name accused, they have fault by putting the false photographs. So when the documents are being produced, it is very difficult for being a circle officer to verify also. And
this is my submission, my lord. Kindly record to the submission.
Lordship has also observed that there is a sufficient progress in the investigation of the case, and accordingly custodial intervention may not be required, Your Lordship. Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? 438 application, Lordship. FIR at case 11, Lordship. This is second application, Lordship. Lordship, in the earlier occasion, Lordship was placed to peruse 164 statement of the victim, Lordship. And while making submission by the learned PP, it was submitted that there is no ingredients under section 376. Only remains 354D, which is a bailable section, Lordship. And the actual fact of the case is that there is love affair between the victim girl and the petitioner. Victim girl is major. On the date of occurrence, she is 18 years, 1 month and 19 days old, Lordship. They had love affair. There was talking of marriage between the family level also. There was proposal also. But later on some issues arise. The victim side rejected the proposal. Thereafter this FIR was lost, and as per FIR, after 9 days from the date of occurrence, the FIR was lost, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see the FIR at page 11, Lordship.
And up to date, he did not receive money. Otherwise, earlier order is very clear, madam. Perhaps there is no new ground, because Lordship can see page 16, madam. Second paragraph, madam. What is stated? Statement, madam. Assumption answer. 16 hearing. Lordship.
But 376, there was nothing, Lordship. My learned friend submitted.
Of the case diary, it is seen a victim did not have any love affair, did not have any love with the accused, nor she is ready to marry the present petitioner. Rather, she is afraid of attending school due to harassment made by the accused petitioner. This has been
on that ground
in the
only.
last order. Perhaps that will not change. Yes.
Lordship.
Yeah.
Following her.
Yes. Following her after that.
Now, your
CD up to date.
CD last entry.
No, madam, the CD not received. CD not.
Oh, not
received.
On last 2 occasions, Lordship, this is third occasion, CD is not received. I am not any interim, Lordship. Only on the ground that she is disturbed while going to school, the case was rejected. Otherwise, as per submission of learned PP, there is no ingredients of section 376, Lordship. No, Lordship. 511 will come when 376 is there. If 376 is not there, if 376 is not there, 511 will not do, Lordship. It will come with 354D, which is a bailable section, Lordship. 376 ingredients is not there.
There was an attempt. That is clearly.
No, attempt is also not there, Lordship, as per submission made by the learned PP, Lordship.
The order has got passed after the
Lordship.
There's no ground at all. But the CP only because the progress keep only considering the progress. So if suppose you think that it is at present that's the only question. So on the your same ground you're coming.
Three dates gone.
Otherwise you have to take.
No, there is no submission as my learned friend is saying that because from the public prosecutor it is stated that 376 is not there. That is not in the order, my lord.
That was the
In
submission.
the order, my lord. Why is submitting? I don't.
That observation is not, but that was the submission. That is, I am. Lordship, may kindly then short date may be given. I am not on.
Yes.
So
After it will be after
vacation. Anyway, we may try go back from.
It is from Manikpur, Bongaigaon.
Manikpur, Bongaigaon.
Bongaigaon. Yes.
Everywhere there's a father also here. They cannot expect the get this delay by May may not be.
No.
So it will be after vacation only then help us. Otherwise we have evicted again.
That's true, Lordship, but I am not in interim.
You are not interim. Your petition has earlier
Rejected.
So there's no ground at all. Give your bail instantly without earlier. Just sufficient appeals were there. So they will be after vacation then help you out. Because it takes to big time. But going everywhere in fact. So Bongaigaon was that is there. So immediately after
Lot.
77.
Obliged. Obliged.
May I please your lordship? The 438 application lordship. The matter pertains to the cancellation of cattle lordship. Two petitioner lordship before lordship. One lordship Mirajul Islam, petition number 1. He is the owner of the cattle lordship, and petition number 2 Robi Alam. He is the owner of the vehicle lordship. This honorable court has given in time both the petitioners lordship. They appeared before the IO lordship, and documents have been submitted lordship. Subsequently, the cattle and vehicle are also given Jimma lordship. I have also analyzed the cattle purchase receipt. You will also kindly see page 15 onwards. They purchased the said cattle from
Mirajul is the owner.
Owner.
Owner
Cattle.
and number 2.
Number 2 is the owner of the vehicle.
I think the money receipt and all that.
Yes, I have annexed all the cattle purchase receipt. Total 25 numbers of cattle was recovered from 2 vehicles. 25. One vehicle 10 numbers, and other vehicle 13 numbers. Total 25 numbers of cattle recovered from the 2 vehicles. I have annexed the cattle purchase receipt at page, you will kindly see page 15 or not. They purchased the said cattle from Gugamuk, registered market. This is a registered market. And you will well aware that some cattle page also if the cattle. Registration certificate losses at page number 27 losses, last page. I have annexed one vehicle registration certificate. The other vehicle registration certificate was losses. It's a new vehicle losses, and that's why they have not received the original registration certificate, but they have produced the purchase receipt and etc. before the IO losses. And then losses the IO has given Jimma of the state vehicle and the cattle losses.
My lord, whenever they come with a bail application, they always produce the document, the cattle purchase document. But when they, my lord, the cows are intercepted or apprehended by the police, they could not produce any document. This is the different matter. Although my lord, pursuant to the interim direction, my lord, they have appeared, the settlement recorded, that is different aspect of the matter, my lord. After interim, they have appeared. But at the time, when the cattle were, my lord, intercepted or my lord, apprehended along with the vehicle, they could not produce any document. It shows, my lord, that this cattle was, my lord, they procured illegally, my lord. Investigation is going on, my lord. They have appeared, my lord, and my learned friend is correct, my lord. Cattle have also given Jimma, my lord. And the vehicle also given Jimma, my lord. And vehicle is lost, you will see 25 cattle, my lord, in 2 vehicles. And vehicles are, my lord, it's a Tata, my lord, small vehicle, my lord, not big vehicle.
The quality, I admit it, the quality is available.
The quality part is there, my lord.
Quality part, if there is a quality loss, there is a quality loss. If there is no any documents regarding the transfer of the vehicle is not livestock loss, then the quality may become loss. If there is bailable offence, the 50 rupees fine only as per the prevention of cruelty to animal sick loss. 50 rupees fine only there.
In every case, they could not produce any document. But later on, when they file a bail application, they come with the document.
Sometimes they produce losses. Sometimes they produce losses, but the police missing those original documents, it will be difficult to take Jimma of the said cattle losses. That's why they have kept the Xerox copy of the said purchase cattle purchase receipt losses. The original receipt always kept in the owners of the cattle losses. Investigation already completed losses. Since the documents has been submitted before the IO losses, it is the IO's duty to verify whether these documents are genuine or not losses. They have to go to the market authority losses. They are part losses. Well, already 1 month maybe past lordship. The I have duty to verify that those documents whether it is genuine or fake lordship. I have annexed the title possessorship. There is a serial number lordship. Dispose of lordship. Obliged.
May I, my lord, 438 bail petition, my lord. As per FIR, my lord, allegation is that, my lord, some of accused person taking some cattle towards the border, my lord, and there is some incident with the border security force, my lord, BSF, my lord, and BSF was fire gunshot, my lord. One accused person was also injured, my lord, during the incident, my lord. And my lord, one accused person after staying 50 days behind the bar, my lord, he released the bail, my lord. And the accused person who was injured in the leg, my lord, the bullet injury, my lord, he was also get the privilege of the anticipatory bail, my lord. My lord, my involvement in this case is that, my lord, I have a land, my lord, in the near the adjacent to the border, my lord. On the day of the occurrence, I was working on my field, my lord, cultivation field, my lord. When, my lord, I heard this hue and cry and, my lord, heard the gunshot, my lord, I ran away from this place, my lord. Some purpose maybe when you inform that, my lord, I was also present, my lord. Actually, my lord, my presence is that, my lord, I was present on the day, my lord. At the time of the occurrence, I was working on my cultivation field, my lord. And the second thing is that, my lord, if the lordship go to the section, my lord, there is absence of section 34, my lord. In absence of section 34, my lord, each and every accused should have to actively participate in the incident, my lord, which is not in there, my lord. But, police will have sufficient time to get the investigation, my lord. Is this business, my lord? I may to give to privilege of the anti-free bond bail.
My lord, they are trying to, my lord, cross 10 numbers of, my lord, Ox, my lord, to, my lord, Assam BSF border, my lord. Then, my lord, Assam Bangladesh border, my lord. Then BSF person, my lord, stop them, my lord. And, my lord, they attacked the BSF person. Then they fired, my lord. One person sustained injury, my lord. And this accused person is also involved, my lord, in this case. So I oppose this bail application.
Other, the other way they some other court.
My lower court, my
So, you have B and AB.
one is AB, another is B. I annex this, my lord. Order, my lord. Lordship may come to page 13, my lord. Page 13, my lord. 130. Is sustain the injury, my lord. Is granted bail. And my lord, next is page 15, my lord.
What's the day next?
At this stage,
Yes, it will be there.
They're trying.
They are trying to, my lord, cross Assam Bangladesh border, my lord. Yes, my lord, there's no status, my lord. Illegally, my lord. Then BSF person stopped them, my lord. Then they started, my lord, they call other villagers, lordship. They attacked the BSF person. They fired. One person also sustained injury, lordship. And probably he has been granted bail, my lord, considering his length of the case. And other also, my lord, case 15 also, my lord, deceased, my lord. After 55 days, my lord, he was granted bail, my lord.
My lord, at this stage, already police, my lord, get sufficient progress in the investigation, my lord. At this stage, custodial detention may not be required, my lord. But on this basis,
How numbers of capitals? 10 numbers.
10 numbers.
10. month.
All right, ma'am.
Right. And then
Maybe page 23, your lordship, idea rejection or
23.
yes, 22. Lady Major, she passed LLB, not yet enrolled, and allegation is that Major that she made a torture due to lab relation, Facebook relation, man. And ultimately he committed suicide. Your lordship's order is page 22, it starts on page 22. My only question, my dear lordship, can they peruse the suicide note, my lord? My only question, because suicide note, as it was at that time, my junior told me, it was stated that when this relation took place, suicide note was written when she was in the 5th semester. The petitioner was in 5th semester, at that time the suicide note was written. After passing 6th semester, my lord, thereafter this happened. So the question, everything was done, it is not that, my lord, there is no other alternative. With cool mind, my lord, with sound mind, he has committed. And he is saying, my lord, that in the 5th semester, it was his 5th semester it was written. And she passed thereafter 6th semester, then thereafter, my lord, this suicide note is... Huh? But in the suicide note is written, I think, 5th semester. She appeared in 5th semester, mother, in February 23. You must kind of, this is very important, man. Appeared in 5th semester examination in February 23. And 6th semester ended in July 23. Schedule we have annexed also, July 23. Suicide is on 17/7/23. FIR on 31st July. 17/7. FIR 31st July, after 13 days. Now, whole question 306, my lord, though your lordship there, that direct matter. Now, question is, my lord, that 5th semester means in February 23. At that time, he has written that one, my lord. Page 20. Yes, page 25. 5th semester, I have given, my dear lord. Schedule. Your lordship, what is it? Page 25, Annex 4.
Yes.
Yes.
My lordship will see the last order, my lord. Because I have seen, my lord, there is no change in circumstances, my lord. At least, my lord, because your lordship may kindly go to the order, my lord, page 22.
No, that I am not on that one. That is there your lordship discuss on merit one. My question was the change of circumstances, because these things could not be
That is my reason, my
This, after the perusal of the suicide note, my lord, the lordship has passed this order, my lord. And whether it is, it is
pointed out that
yes,
it was not immediate.
it is stated that fifth semester পরীক্ষা দিছে, that is my lord. That we interpretation will be something else, my lord. Fifth semester পরীক্ষা দিছে, that is the interpretation. Then whether the result and whether she is in sixth semester or not, my lord, we cannot.
Annex, my lord.
We cannot say.
No, annex, my lord. Page 25, 26.
It might be a. My lord.
Now,
So now,
obviously it will be fifth semester of পরীক্ষা দিতে, because which is the sixth semester of পরীক্ষা as one.
he is in the sixth semester.
It started July 20.
July 20.
Sixth semester.
July
So then-
23.
Yes, July 23. That happened on 77.
Yes.
So obviously in 77 you can write everything the 50th semester,
Yes.
not 60.
Not frequent because yes, on my lord,
This is my case.
that is them. He might not know also. My lord. That is the different thing, my lord.
Yes,
Matter of interpretation, my lord, for that. Because he is from different place, not from his place, my lord. They come from a different place. They used to meet in Guwahati, my lord. They in that way, my lord. So by the internet, they used to come to terms, my lord. And after that, after spending that moment, my lord, then after that she betrayed her. Thereafter he committed suicide. That is the specific allegation. So my lord, at this stage, my lord, there is no change of circumstance. This is not a change of circumstance because earlier also it is there. My lord. Just start on the city, my lord, because there was the city earlier.
The schedule is page 25, fifth semester, 26, sixth semester. That I have an actual point. Sixth semester also I have an first certificate. And first certificate, page 26, she passed LLB.
Were you fifth semester further?
Yes, page 25 you lost.
No,
I will schedule.
When you comment?
It's comment on 3 to 23. Page 25 you lost, left side. And ended on 24 to 23. And sixth semester, next page is sixth semester. Next page, page 26. Sixth semester, page 26.
Sixth semester started from?
23, 6, 23. Ended on 15, 7, 23.
Sixth semester, my lord, comments from 26.
Yes. Page, my lord, details is given. University schedule is page 25. 25 is fifth semester. 26 is schedule is, my lord, examination to be held in June, July 23. Date is given here. Your lordship is in the date. Page 26. Left side, bottom.
Not this schedule from 97.
My lord, 23, 6, 23. Page 20, Friday. Page 26, my lord. Oh,
Sixth semester.
yeah. Here, my lord, no. It is, my lord, Gauri. It's a reschedule, man. Reschedule. Yeah. Initially, was that rescheduled by the Gauri University, page 26A. That is there. 23, 6, 23. Reschedule date 17, 7, 23. 17, 7, 23. On that very day, that is sixth semester. Fifth semester not rescheduled, my. Fifth semester is that, my.
77.
Pardon?
6, 7, 6,
17, 7. Rescheduled date. And fifth semester is, my lord, page 25. That is not rescheduled, my lord. It was as usual. And reschedule only fourth semester, second semester, and sixth semester. Only. At page 16 is the birth certificate one. Oh, sorry, past certificate. Page 16. She passed her LLB, my. Now, my lord, only one thing, your lordship, this is on merit. And secondly, your lordship has mentioned, my lord, at page 24, your lordship's order, my lord, that there may be tempering as per note of the IO. Your lordship, page 23 bottom. Page 23 bottom. More so, he submit that IO has filed bail objection wherein it is stated that there may be hampering and tempering of the investigation of the case if the accused petitioner is granted with privilege of PSA. She is from Borpeta and case is in Lahorigarh. How there cannot be, my lord. Borpeta and Morigao district, your lordship. Lahorigarh case is from Lahorigarh and she is from Borpeta. Minimum 100 kilometers, man. How she will temper, my lord, this lady, man. So I am only on that tender age, my lord, and lab relation, my lord, your lordship will find Delhi High Court, Supreme Court.
Stays in Kolkata.
But she is from your lordship, address is also Borpeta, your lordship. In the FIR also, your lordship will find her address is given.
She's from Kolkata.
Yes, she is from Borpeta. FIR also, my friend. PS Borpeta. And FIR page 17, it also shows, my lord, Kolgasia, Borpeta district, Borpeta. So my only question, my lord, so far, lab relation, I have so many judgment I have also annexed, my lord. It cannot be a ground for that, my lord. Failure of lab, failing in examination, it almost amounts to the same thing, my lord. Sabagal High Court, Delhi High Court, Chhattisgarh High Court, even Supreme Court says, my lord. And moreover, here it is not a direct, my lord. It is that when there is no other alternative, then with cool mind, sound mind. And in the suicide note, my lord, he has written in the sound mind. So I think, my your lordship might consider this because of the tender age of the guard.
Yes, my lord, regarding the 6th semester, my lord, it may not affect this case, my lord, because immediate, it was in, my lord, after that, on 24/2/22, he was in 5th semester, my lord. After that, within 2 months, perhaps, my lord, he has committed suicide. So that may not be a ground, my lord. Other things, my love relationships, my lord, maybe. But the specifically, my lord, is stated that due to the harassment and torture, he has met and ended his life.
He is a responsibility, my lord, she will propagate, my lord, whatever is whatever condition. She will not evade away, my lord, being a student. Obliged to us.
Also, there is a my lord, regarding the changed circumstances, my lord, that case, my lord, lost it perhaps late, my lord, in 1989, supply 2 SCC 605. 89, supply 2 SCC 605. Second, regarding second bill.
In my case, I have my point of change of circumstance. Because this certificate, this schedule, we could not enact earlier. That's all. Moreover, there is a question of tempering of 2 districts, my lord. That's, and she is a lady, my lord. This LLB pass, certainly she will cooperate whatever condition is there. Obliged to us.
I have submitted the CD.
Yes,
Lost it.
I'll send it.
Lost it.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
4748, my lord, the same case, my same PS case, my lord, SRC case, my lord.
40. You are on 40, huh?
47 and
47 and 48, Lord.
48.
Earlier, you are on
Not on interim, ma'am.
You are not on it.
No, Lordship. Lordship, since the matters have been sustained, Lordship, we are ready to appear before the learned court below, Lordship. Therefore, Lordship, some sort of protection is required, Lordship. So if this honorable court is pleased to...
Identity protection was earlier than that could have been intended, but anyway, you are appealed for?
Respondent
In which case?
47 and 48.
48. You also appealed?
Lordship, have been appointed as
In case of Lordship, item number 48, Lordship, allegations of POXO allegations totally absent against the petitioner's Lordship in item number 48, Lordship. Only the allegation of the petitioner, Lordship.
Was submitted as a Jamaica. Whose name was there? The order of Jamaica.
number है पुनः
What?
MK Brown. Brown, BROW.
What? Have but both of what appeared. Not that's what. That's what. I mean, cannot reflect the name of both of you. That's why I'm asking you whether there is any order of appointment by the list. Is there any? Otherwise, your name is there. I
Yes,
have
there
seen.
is. There's an office number. It's stated there's an office number.
As part of the office note, the 46, your name is there. But your name is not.
he is for my the private restaurant क्यों अमिका स्मिगी
So he is for.
No, Your Lordship, there's only the respondent number 2. And I have been appointed as applicant.
And you are appearing. No, that means you have been appointed by the respondent number 2 privately.
privately by
And whatever there may not be any.
Lordship, POXO may submit.
On that now. We cannot go by the basis or the.
Lordship, definitely, Lordship, after such Lordship, we will receive the summons from the trial court, Lordship. And before that, Lordship, we are ready to appear before the learned court below, Lordship. That's why I am praying before the Honorable Court, Lordship. If some sort of protections are granted, Lordship, by the Honorable Court, Lordship, then we can appear, Lordship. And these will definitely help the speedy trial of the case, Lordship.
But
yes. CS number 24/24 dated 30/4/24
now protection.
Not much only. May I please?
Lordship, in this case, I am appearing for the informant, Lordship. Lordship will kindly note on 20th February, when your Lordship was pleased to pass the interim bail order, a specific averment was made on behalf of the petitioner that an agreement has already arrived between the parties, and by 16th of May, all the terms of that agreement will be fulfilled. Accordingly, your Lordship fixed the matter on 20 May. On 20 May, Lordship, when they appeared, it was not even 30% of the agreement was compliant. Accordingly, your Lordship took, again picked the matter on 6th of May, Lordship, 6th of June. The matter came up on last day, when 28th, your Lordship directed to file one status report. In the status report also, it reflects that not even 50% has been compliant. So at this stage, Lordship, my prayer will be, Lordship will again fix this matter prior to the, before vacation, Lordship. In the meantime, they will file one status report, another status report. And if the terms are not complied, Lordship would please to pass one order, Lordship, why their interim bail order shall not be discontinued. That is my humble prayer, Lordship. If they are not compliant.
Today morning also.
We have paid 50 lakh. Altogether, 6 crore 80 lakh we have paid already.
What was total amount?
11.25. 25 crore.
Out of that you have paid
6.80.
If I go by that calculation, then almost 50%.
55%, around 55%. So last date was 16th of May, Lordship. So Lordship may grant them sometime, Lordship, on 28, 27 or 28, Lordship will fix this matter if your Lordship, subject to your Lordship convenience. And on that day, Lordship let them finance to another status. Otherwise, Lordship, this matter will continue like anything. It will keep going on, go on.
We will try to settle it by this month only. As per the instruction of the client, my lord, he wants at least 10 more days time to finalize.
Today
we don't have 10 days.
Lordship. On 28th or 28th of December.
At least we can try to settle the entire amount. If not, then we will file a fresh status report.
At least let them make their intention clear that they are willing to pay.
Our intention is very clear. That's why we are making payment. And one house conditional sale agreement is also made between the parties for rupees 3 crore. So that is not counted here in the 6.8 crore. So if that is counted, then it will be 9.8 out of 11.8.
28 of 1.
20, the entire amount may not be settled, then we have to file a fresh.
We just give some more time. If it, reopening
Immediately
is-
on reopening, my lord.
Reopening is on 15/7. Here or
16, my lord.
Then Lordship will observe that if in the meantime the entire terms has not been if not fulfilled, Lordship will reconsider the bail order, interim bail order. That observation only, Lord.
But our intention to make the payment is very clear.
No, Lordship may fix this matter on 15, Lordship, immediately after reopening. But I am praying for that observation only. Lordship will reconsider.
Or else we will file a fresh status report. King Chaudhary.
I am P. Nayak, Lord.
for the
Informant. Yes.
What?
80.
Good.
So, yeah, we did live in safety dog.
But I was praying that if by that time, Lordship, the terms of the agreements are not fulfilled, then Lordship will reconsider the interim bail order. That observation.
Deeply.
Obliged. Sir. Let's get us. Obliged.
After that, not able to public method.
After something that if I get good.
Lordship, IA for consideration of bail. In this case, state also not filed any objection.
Yeah, my case, my lord, what happened, I couldn't bring it file today. My streets are waterlogged, my lord. Okay, the matter we taken up, my lord.
Immediately after the
Yes, yes. My lord, what was proposed,
Immediately.
instead of, my lord, this IA, my lord, the main case may be heard in merit.
No, Lordship.
What had happened basically,
IA
I like to point out, my lord.
past IA may be considered.
IA for bail. My lord, IA is kept aside, my lord. The main case may be heard in merit.
No, Lordship, I am not ready yet. IA at
Not
first
today,
may be
not today,
considered.
my lord. Because, my lord, this is the practice what has happened in this. Most of the cases where I mean appointed amicus, my lord, when criminal petitions are filed, IAs are filed, people who are on bail, and after 10 years, 7 years, these are still pending. So, what I propose to this court, my lord, let the main matter come for hearing, my lord, immediately after the case.
No, Lordship.
Lordship
Lordship may dispose of next date. IA may be disposed on merit. Lordship may accept or reject.
I am.
No. Case is
LCR has
already.
LCR has.
So immediately after vacation, Lordship may IA may consider. That may be disposed on merit. Either.
Why a matter is also hard.
Yes,
I don't know what the case is. What is the case effect?
Lordship, it is a POXO case. I am also not well prepared. So bail for the bail, Lordship may consider immediately after that. Lordship, he is in custody for almost 2 years. 2 years. 2 years.
2 years jail dite.
No. He is in custody for last 2 years. 7 years. 7 years.
Then it come up for my lord. On that day, I will make my comment. A fixed date.
Seven.
20-7.
After vacation, there are lots.
20-7.
All right.
All right, man.
Yes. What is your instruction now?
Lordship, my instruction, Lordship, we are filing, Lordship, we are
Why
filing.
it was fixed it? I mean, it was time before.
Lordship, I was praying in the morning that we are filing objection to the Lordship.
Then?
That was my prayer, Lordship.
What was this prayer?
Lordship, we are filing
a bail application. So you have filed your objection.
Yes,
They have
Lordship.
received a copy.
No, they have not received copy, Lordship. We are filing objection to the Lordship. After that copy will be served, Lordship. Lordship, maybe this matter may be fixed tomorrow, Lordship.
More it is not. What it is not there.
Yes, Lordship.
That's what I was
Read petition criminal number 10/2024 that is pending in another court, Lordship. That is
Have you
listed.
made any prayer before that court?
Yes, Lordship, for taking this matter along with that matter.
Then what is the order?
At that time, Lordship, opposite party objecting. Then court pass order. Lordship.
It's the order of take the order that order is not passed.
Highly obliged.
perfect tender.
Not perfect.
Not perfect.
Was kept as a perfect. That day was not part. But it was kept perfect. The Lordship Aklan has been convicted under section 376F.
Then
Here,
Mr. Monto was
yes, bro. But here it is 13 part we have written here, but 13 part.
oh, not hard because if Senator might have that I just
No,
did I note down something.
No, that there was period of time was not taken up, but kept as a part.
Oh, because of
12 May. That is why.
But this section harder section now.
Not
But
hard. Not hard.
practically it was not hard.
Not hard.
My have that I note down
Not
something.
hard.
For 10 minutes calculated.
Yes, sir. The Lordship Captain has been convicted under section 376F 511 and Lordship 448 for 3 years. The Lordship. We start from the Lordship FIR. FIR is in paper book. Your Lordship find that page 3. Your Lordship. Yes, FIR is filed on 10/11/2007. Your Lordship. Filed by Saibur Rahman. Go to that now. Particular person, Your Lordship. Humble submission is that grandchildren of the complainant, Miss Hasina Begum, 8 years old, daughter of Atikul Islam, father of Muhammad Rikana Khatun, mother, was at about 4 p.m. on 7 November 2007, while aforementioned minor girl was alone at home. The opposite party entered the house of that Miss Begum, gave her and committed rape on her. I therefore have submitted this written letter to take necessary action against the opposite party in connection with the above mentioned incident. And I also went to mention that earlier also the accused committed such misdeed in several other cases and underwent punishment. And hence the prayer is before to take necessary action against the opposite party upon investigation the matter and on the basis of Edaher. So that's the FIR. The Lordship offense has been committed on 4 p.m. 7 November 2007, and FIR was filed on 10/11. So 3 days ago. After the Lordship, charge has been framed, Your Lordship, under section 448, page 7, Your Lordship. That's the order. 448, 376F. That is the Lordship. And Your Lordship, that PW1, Your Lordship victim. As a victim, okay. Yes, put to her. Then the measure satisfied after putting the fiction. And go to that 11 portion there. The occurrence took place at about page 9. The occurrence took place about 3.5 years back. On the day the occurrence at about 4 p.m. while I was alone in our house. At that time, accused Nazim Ali was fishing in our pond. Thereafter, the accused came to our residence, called me from the outside. Hearing his call, I came out from the house. Then he called me inside of our house. He caught all of me, and thereafter removed my underwear by force. Then I shouted alarm, and then he gave my mouth. Then the accused removed her jointly lordship, pressed me hard. I left pain. In the meantime, my aunt Firuza arrived at there, and seeing her, the accused released me and fled away therefrom. I narrated the whole occurrence to my aunt Firuza. Firuza also reported the occurrence to my to my family member. Later on, my grandfather lodged the FIR in Boisa police outpost. Thereafter, the police took me to hospital for medical examination, and I was medically examined by that doctor. The police also produced me in the court of learned Chief Judicial Magistrate and got my statement recorded. And Exhibit 1 is that said statement, and Exhibit 2 is my sign. Lordship, cross-party Lordship. I reside with my parents along with my younger brother and that sister in our house. My uncle and aunt Firuza used to reside together near our house. In that evening, myself and my brother and sister went to the house of our uncle and reported the occurrence. At that time, there were several persons, such as my grandfather Saibur Rahman and Kalam's wife Lotit and other 10 to 15%. I reported that occurrence to them. So some of them are educated and some of them are not. After 2-3 days, the occurrence, the FIR was lost in the police outpost. The accused was wearing lungi at that time. Lungi was bluish in color. It is not a fact that I have not stated in my statement that the accused penetrated his male organ to my. And while the accused was smearing at that time, my aunt Firuza came and then that accused fled away therefrom. The accused was putting his male organ. He was penetrating to some extent of my. And though that accused attempted to place his male organ to that, some was not being entered, Your Lordship. It is not a fact that we have a land dispute with the accused, for which the grandfather concocted this case and instituted the instant case and false allegation against the accused. Your Lordship. And the Lordship is a PW2, Your Lordship. Who is that? Who is that eyewitness? The accused Nizam Ali is known to me. Victim Hasina Begum is also known to me. She is my niece. Informant Saibur Rahman is also known to me. The occurrence took place about 4 years back. Victim Hasina Begum resided adjacent to my house. On the day of occurrence, at about 3-4 p.m., I was working in my home estate. At that time, I also noticed the accused who was drawing out the water of his for fishing from the nearby tank in the home estate of Hasina. During the time, he called Hasina several times, but Hasina did not come out. And after several calls, Hasina came out to the doorstep of that house. Then the accused grabbed her and by gagging her mouth, they down on the bed on the house. I immediately rushed to the house of Hasina and found the accused lying on Hasina on the bed in the house, and he rooted on the top of her. Then I asked the accused as to what he was about to do. And then the accused released Hasina from the clutch and left the place of occurrence. Thereafter, Hasina told me that the accused, by removing pen, pushed his male organ to the. At that time, occurrence of Hasina and younger brother, at about 5-6 years, were in the house. and then Lordship prospered. The police
Not collected, my lord. It is not ready.
So statutory period is
Today is
already
60 days, my lord.
over.
Are Islam Lord?
Item 14. Otherwise, we have specific is Rhino.
Okay, there is no specific.
Like that. Under certification in Gulabganj.
Dhupri, special does Dhupri or
And the petitioners are from Assam or they are from outside? Out there outside?
Mankesar, South Sulmara Mankesar here. Assam.
He is from
South Sulmara Mankesar.
Mankesar. So PW2 is we have
Yes, Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, PW3. PW3 is the informant, Your Lordship, and the grandfather of the victim, Your Lordship. Page 13. Yes, Lordship. Accused Nizam Ali is known to me. Victim Hasina Begum is my granddaughter. On the day of occurrence, I was at North Lakhimpur. The occurrence took place about 2 years back. After that, one day of the occurrence, I was called by Noor Muhammad and Hasina to my residence at the Borsola. Accordingly, I went there, and on arrival at home, Hasina told me that on the previous day, accused Nizam Ali at about 3 p.m. Came to her on the pretext of asking for a glass of drinking water, and accordingly, while she came out from that house, he caught hold of her and laid her on the bed, and by removing the man committed rape. The hearing about that occurrence, I also asked Firuza about the same. She confirmed that she had seen that accused committing rape on Hasina on the previous day. Accordingly, I lodged the FIR about the occurrence at Nauvoisat, of course. The FIR was prepared by the subscriber of Nauvoisa, and the FIR was written as per version of the Hasina Begum. After writing the FIR, same was written over to me, and I put my signature thereon, execute to it, signature you wrote. That was part. My father has about 105 bighas of land. It's not a fact that I am involved in 25 cases. It is not a fact that I left my house, left my native village, Borsolat, due to my involvement in several cases. For the last 10 years, I am residing at North Lakhimpur town. I was informed about that occurrence on that same day during night. I cannot remember that exact date, month and year of that occurrence. On the next day, the occurrence at about 9 a.m. And the next day of that occurrence at about 9 a.m. I arrived my native village. On the same day, in the person of the Hasina and Firuza, I lost the FIR. His Lordship, he said that the same day, next day, he arrived at 9 a.m. and he lost the FIR on the same day, Your Lordship. It is not a fact that I lost the FIR after 4 days of occurrence. The FIR was prepared as per the version of the Hasina and not on my person, and I have not seen the occurrence. It is not a fact that the FIR was prepared as per my own person. I cannot remember whether that FIR I had mentioned that the accused wanted a glass of drinking water, and on the pretext of drinking water he entered in the house of the Hasina. I also cannot remember whether it was mentioned in the FIR that the Firuzat had witnessed the occurrence. My statement was recorded by the police as informant. It is not a fact that I had not stated before the IO that Firuza had witnessed that occurrence. It is also not a fact that I had not stated before the IO on that being told by Hasina and also the FIR. It is not a fact that I had not stated in the FIR as well as my statement before the IO to the effect that I came to know from the mouth of the Hasina as she stated before me. It is not a fact that the tank from which the accused was drawing water from the fishing on the day of occurrence belonged to me. It is not a fact that due to financial crisis I mortgaged that fishery to that accused. It is not a fact that I brought up and concocted the instant case against that accused just to harass him. It is not a fact that I compel Hasina to state a false person before the police and compel her to record that statement before the magistrate. Even I came always before the court to compel her to give a statement. Next, PW4, Your Lordship. That means Doctor, Your Lordship. This is important, Your Lordship. On 10/11/2007, it was I was serving as MN and HO1 at Nawasat CHC. On that day, I examined Hasina Begum, age about 8 years, daughter of Muhammad Atikul Islam, known to Borsalat, brought identified by Sirit Dev Kumar Chetri, Constable Nawasat OP in connection with that emergency register now, so and I found as follows: no any, Your Lordship, no any violence mark were seen on her private part, and neither there were any sign of recent sexual violation on her body. Radiological examination was not advised for the determination of the actual age, which reported that the age was below 8 years. Vaginal swab was taken from the microscopic determination for sportoma, that which was reported negative. The victim was examined in presence of the Srimati Rita Gogoi, DNM of the Nabha GSC opinion, Your Lordship. The occurrence of any sexual assault or rape could not be established medically, Your Lordship. Medically could not be established. Lordship, hereby confirmed that there is no any sexual activity, Your Lordship. And then Lordship, next one is that PW5, Your Lordship. Accused Muhammad Nizam Ali is known to me. Victim Hasina Begum is also known to me, and informant Saibur Rahman is also known to me. The occurrence took place about 4 years back. One day at about 3-4 p.m. At the time, I was at North Lakhimpur town to do some personal official work. When I returned back home at about 7 p.m., I was told by my wife Firuza that accused Nizam Ali did immoral act upon Hasina by gagging the mouth of Hasina, and see Firuza witnessed the occurrence. Later on, the accused pleaded away there from the Lordship prospered. It is not a fact that I had not stated before the IO that I was told upon by my wife Firuza that the accused Nizam Ali did immoral act upon the Hasina by gagging the mouth of Hasina. And see Firuza witnessed the occurrence of my wife, who was examined by police. It is not a fact that my wife was not examined by the police during the investigation. It is not a fact that my wife did not report to me about the occurrence, which I had stated in my examination sheet. Informant Saibur Rahman is my parental paternal uncle, Your Lordship. He leased out that fishing pond to the accused person. Here, Lordship, admitted Lordship, Saibur Rahman is the paternal uncle, and he leased out that pond to that victim, Your Lord. Sorry, accused. It's not a fact that there was a dispute between that accused and informant Saibur Rahman regarding that that fishing pond. After the occurrence, the informant used to reside the North Lakhimpur town. Saibur Rahman was having landed disputed with us. It is not a fact that the Saibur Rahman is not is taught by profession. It is not a fact that I deposed the falsely against the accused as per that dictation of the Saibur Rahman. Next is PW6, Your Lordship. And here is the mother of the victim, Your Lordship. The accused Muhammad Nizam Ali, known to me, victim Hasina Begum is my daughter. Our informant Saibur Rahman is a paternal uncle of my husband, and that the occurrence took place at about 3.5 years back, at about 3:30 p.m. At the time of occurrence, I was near to Sikh Mandir near the Lakhimpur, near North Lakhimpur. At that time, my kids were in my house. At about 4:30 p.m., I got telephonic information from the Firozat Khatun that while she was working in her homestead, she noticed Hasina Begum sweeping our courtyard, and then accused Nizam Ali took Hasina inside that house and laid her down, Hasina Begum, on the bed of our house, and started removing her underwear. And immediately Firoza arrived at that place of occurrence, and seeing her that accused fled away. Then she immediately rushed to the house of the Habibur Rahman and informed about him. About the occurrence. Thereafter, Habibur Rahman and other villagers come to the place of occurrence, but that meantime that the accused fled away. After getting information about the occurrence, I rushed to my house home and found Hasina crying. On being asked, she told that while she was sweeping at the courtyard, the Nizam Ali came to our house and also asked her to come inside. Accordingly, Hasina came inside the house. Then I accused caught her hold of her and made her lay down on the bed and removed her underwear and wrote on her. And in the meantime, Firoza Khatun arrived at the place of occurrence, and seeing Firoza the accused fled away. Later on, Saibur Rahman lodged the FIR Nabosa of it. At the time of
May it please you. Lordship would kindly peruse order dated 29/9/23. Lordship, the counsel for the explanation submitted 29/9 in this case. But the matter was amicably resolved 23.
Lordship, the matter has already been compromised, and the complainant has paid the amount also, Your Lordship.
Lordship peruses the 5th and 6th para. Lordship, petitioner will withdraw this case after the respondent bank withdraws the case pending before the Metropolitan Magistrate at Calcutta. My Lord, but however, one date, it was listed for one date, but the respondent counsel could not be there due to some personal reasons. So, my Lord, the date is again fixed on 16th of July. And Lord, my colleague has already said that he would withdraw the matter there. Thereafter, my Lord, can fix this any day after 16th of July. Then we can also withdraw.
So, you will be withdrawing this case after withdrawal by the...
Yes, sir.
Your
Lordship, my submissions may be recorded that because in the Negotiable Instrument Act, they have availed some loan facility, and against that the check has been issued. So in the due course, we will withdraw the matter, Your Lord, before the landed court below. So nothing remains in this criminal petition to be kept in pending, Your Lord. If you will not withdraw, or if you will issue warrant, then we have to face the consequences.
Well, it was stated on 29/9, it was stated the matter will be withdrawn. So already been 1 year, man. And our main contention in the petition was that we have been harassed only because of harassing us. The case was filed in Kolkata. And my Lord, the harassment still continues because the case is not been withdrawn.
Why don't you put
Your Lordship, basically what was happened after the stay order, the matter has been kept in abeyance. So we could not able to trace out the record there because in Calcutta there are 14,000, 15,000 cases in the list. This is the basic issue.
The stay order was
We will withdraw it.
by this order 29/9. If Lordship is in last paragraph, the order was vacated on 29/9 so that the respondents could withdraw. Due to some personal difficulty, my lord, he could not appear. That's totally informed. My lord, I fixed it after 16th of July. Till then, as my senior colleague said, they will withdraw the matter and will adjourn. 16th of
Maybe fixed there.
M Sharma, your
He will have I have recently filed my work.
Your for
1, 2 and 3, your lord.
And Lordship, for respondent number 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Respondent number 4 and 5 are
Yes. Al Islam. Al Islam.
But the government, okay.
This is superintendent of Lord.
No, no. This is for the, I mean, one is pointed to another.
Officer in charge.
After their withdrawal,
Yes. Yes. It has already been given, your lord. There were some issues that regarding some documents and all. We will do it on the day.
Because it is pending since 2019.
Yes,
Your
sir.
matter is also pending there.
Yeah.
Already compromised or you have submitted it.
Yes.
So we are fixing after 16th.
Yes, sir.
So any date after 16th. Hour of it is 29. So
Hello.
that Coco, you are waiting. I have seen, but because I don't want to keep any matters part hard because some 20 matters are already part hard. So because our benches are, I mean, you know,
Yeah.
so most probably the month of last part of July or say the August, most probably my bench will be up. So you are otherwise your appointed here as the MI judge. Matter is the 2020 and activity is still in there.
Here-
7 years, 1 month, 18 days is already over. So what was the
Point of length of retirement, length of jail perspective. my submission is that he has already been jailed for this arising out of the same case. Accused person, he has been sentenced, one case he has been sentenced. Thereafter again same accused person have been again sentenced for this case. In last time, this Honorable Court has verified a matter regarding of my content and regarding the...
Because if the case is that, and while there are two cases, my lord, in one, my lord, first, in 2017, my lord, he was, my lord, convicted for 26, my lord. There, he was given 5 years punishment. But he was on bail after that, my lord. During that period, my lord, again, my lord, he assaulted the same person while on bail. Then, thereafter, my lord, that case has also been considered, and there he was given punishment for 7 years, my lord. At PGO 7 is also added, second case. Right? So now, my yes, cause of action is different.
Rather, he is a
He is a so my first 5 years, thereafter 7 years. Perhaps 7 years has been calculated on the basis of the 5 years plus 2 years.
5 years plus 2 years.
Plus 2 years. That will be 7 years. But in the second, he has to undergo 7 years.
No. Initially, he was for 5 years.
5 years.
He came out on bail,
yes.
And then again committed the...
Yes. No, he was not within 5 years, but before that one.
Obviously, before that.
Yes.
He came out on bail and then he again committed.
Yes. So, my lord, 5 years he was given, my lord, conviction.
Yes.
So, 7, and in the second case, he was given 7 years punishment. So the judgment is that, my lord, first 5 years he has to, my lord, undergo. Thereafter, the next sentence will start from the end of 5 years. Because this is a two separate case. That is why he is in custody.
So if we calculate 7 years plus 5 years, suppose that
yes.
is 12 years. So 7 years he is in custody.
Yes, for the 12 years. If we can get it is, my lord.
But anyway, he is in custody, so matter.
Yes.
With hard.
Any date, my lord?
Before it is not be possible.
After
Here date after vacation. Wherein Mr. Gogo have the to make a mention in the morning hours, we are fixing it on either Tuesday or Thursday. This is the hearing day. So that you can just give us a thing that maybe.
Any date after vacation,
No. So that it can be taken because other days the motion matters and others are list is long, very long. So it is hearing day also. Today also you see, today was the hearing day. But in spite of that, the list is of 46, 47 numbers. More than that, I think. More than that. Tomorrow, I have just asked her if more than 50 numbers of matter already been fixed tomorrow. So that's why I have just asked that it should be in a hearing day, either Tuesday or Thursday. So we are giving a date. So your duty will be to make us just one hearing that the matter can be made, make a mention that matter may be taken at 2 or in the hearing. Because matter is a big thing, complicated, and he is already jailed for 7 years. What may be the reason? But anyway, 7 plus 5, whatever, but he is in jail. But that, 7, more than 7. So, after this now, either Tuesday, Thursday. 23 is Tuesday, 23 and 25. Both are Tuesday and Thursday.
Look. June.
No, not
July. On the 23rd is, if Lordship permit me, because I will be out of place.
Okay.
First week of August, that will be.
Then another 1.5 months before.
So, otherwise,
you'll be out of station. I mean, you'll be in other outlet.
Outlet. That Itanagar is there, then Gulaghar is there. All people are panic, waiting for justice.
be like people. I don't think. Still, otherwise.
First, August.
Lord.
8 August.
I'll be prepared.
Now today is also you prepared. It should be prepared today also.
I always be prepared. Even the same case at one and another court also.
You'll be going there now.
No, that part is finished.
That part.
I'm eagerly waiting for before this honorable court to argue the matter.
No matter may be part heard, but again.
No
all
necessary.
the inconvenience. I mean, it should be hard inconvenience. Otherwise, again, now you can remember. I don't know. There are three matters, CBI matters. Those two matters are part heard, and now see when it will be listed. I don't know. So,
Part heard, you also might have franked, but because sometimes they are allowed
you have to come. That is why if one going, if it is heard, then it's okay for us also.
Yes.
Otherwise, what will happen? If suppose second part heard, then again the advocate is the part of the that it starts again it is started. So repetition is also there and it's time consuming.
Right.
So 1, 2.
First August, if Lordship permit me at 2 o'clock, then in the
1st of August.
At 2 o'clock, then it will be specific. Otherwise,
So 2 o'clock,
8 August.
we are giving on 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Just mention the morning hours so that it can be.
Lordship.
One matter is Gogo, one
Numoligarh.
matter is.
Union of India versus Numoligarh refinery.
Yes, yes.
You are supposed to give the
One matter is heard and one. There are three similar kind of matters were there.
I have heard only one matter. With
You are one
Union of
matter.
India versus Numoligarh refinery.
Yes. In one matter
MFA
you were there.
98/2000.
So it is there with me. Otherwise, one similar kind of matters were there. That was dealt by what lady from Bogaigaon. I don't know.
My part is Manisha Sharma. KP Mahasya. But my case is very. I'm trying my best. That is the point. I still remember while I argued about. I'm deeply obliged.